This is a situation where I'm trying to help you save hundreds and hundreds of dollars not having to buy that trim, using the top and bottom rail. That plastic rail can cost you a lot, either as plastic or as metal. Now, in case you put it in the wrong place, which I recommend you take it out of your way so you don't step on it and break it, but where you can also remember to put it back. But in case you don't, you need to cut it. I'm going to show you how to make the cuts to slip in underneath that. What I've done right here is measure what I need to that corner, and I allowed 2 or 3 inches more inside of that. So I'm going to cut the overall first. And then I have, in this case, 3 inches marked on top and bottom. What we've got to do is cut just a little bit up on the side and then cut across the back here. And on the top, we're going to cut just like so, and then across the front. That allows us to get inside that one and lock them together. It's that simple. Now, in case you wanted to do an inside corner, you take your square up, and make a mark at the bottom and at the top. Inside corner would be cut like so on the bottom, and cut like so on the top. And you can literally fold it. And there's your inside corner. The outside corner, again, you would square. You'd have a mark on the bottom and on the top. There's your 2 marks. To do an inside, we're going to do that 45 like I showed you on the metal.
It's the outside corner.
Not only on the top, but on the bottom. That allows you to go like so without conflict. Snap it in the corner. Now, this is your bottom rail. You notice the back side's a little higher than the front side. That allows you to bump up against and drop down.
Zoom in on that for you.
There's those holes we showed you earlier that we'd be putting the nails into if you have a need. If you need to reposition them, that's where you use it. Now, to do an inside corner, it's pretty tough to work with the bottom rail on this, not like the J channel. Cutting the back, stepping back here. You have to kind of wiggle inside there.
You don't want to do that.
Or you can. Reach down in all the way up to the front right there. And you have to cut the very top lip. And on the inside corner, on the front, you have to cut a 45 on the front. That allows you to bend it like so. That's your inside corner. Now, how to cut the outside corner. If you have an outside corner, you want to measure that 3/4 out to here from where you're going to be, and that shows you where your outside corner is. Usually I cut that front, and I go ahead and cut the middle. That way I know where it is, straight back from it. Do just like I did on the inside corner. Cut all the way to the back. The difference is, instead of 45 in the front, leave it alone. You have to put 45 in the top here, and you have to 45 in the back, about 3/4 of an inch over on both sides. There's your outside corner. There you go.
Gonna take you for
Steel
a fire.
bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.